Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable notification flashlight on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on flash notifications. Now just scroll down and enable this toggle to enable flash notifications. Now once you enable this option, your smartphone's flashlight will start flashing when you receive a notification, just like that. And this is how you can enable notification flashlight on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.